Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Jigong Hot Air Gun or heat tool. This is basically a heat gun that you use for making art with resin. As you can see on this side, it says color shade and add patterns to plastic shapes with colored pencils. Make holes in cutout shapes with 1/8 inch or 1/4 inch hole punch. Holding plastic down with wood, skewer shrink pieces with heat gun, and allow piece to curl and twist when pieces lie flat. Remove heat. Let cool for 3 to 5 seconds and flatten with weight. Basically, when you're working with resin and or some kind of plastic which you have to melt to create artwork or art installations, this is a good tool for that. Let me just show you what it looks like. There you go. These are the components of the box. We have safety instructions and usage instructions for this particular device. This is the instruction manual, and let me quickly see if I can see anything here. It says hold the product as shown in the picture. Do not touch the hot nozzle. Keep 5 to 6 centimeters distance between the heat tool and item, and do not use more than 10 minutes continuously to prevent overheating. This is a QC certificate for this particular product. And this is the hot air gun in question. There you go. This is what it looks like. It comes with this. It's made out of this white ABS plastic material, and it has this blue colored nozzle over here. It's a transparent nozzle as well. You can see the internal mechanic right over there. This also comes with this stand for when this is hot and you don't want to touch it, you can rest it like so. This is the power on off button at the end. There you go. And this also comes with a little less than a meter long but a flat power cable with a 2-pin plug on one end. Okay, if you notice closely inside, there you go, you will see some heating elements as well as a heating coil over there. I don't know if you can see this. So the idea is that you use this heat gun to basically weld pieces together or mold them in a particular shape. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Jigong Hot Air Gun. Thank you for watching.